Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your earbuds Mi True Wireless 2S. So you have a gesture on these earphones, the touch area is located right here and right here. With the left one, if you press 2 times, you can call voice assistant. I will show it to you actually. So 1, 2. And now, as you can see, I call a Siri, because I have iOS. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And with the right one, you can play or pause the song. Just press 2 times, and you will play or pause the song. Also, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on the left or right earbud. So, if somebody called to you, you just press 2 times on the left or right earbud and you answer the call, and also you can finish a call with this gesture by pressing again 2 times. And the last one, these headphones doesn't support DAC, what means high resolution audio codec, but it supports another high resolution audio codec like LHDC. So I guess it's a cool one. And also, I forget about it, if you have some trouble with your earphones, you can perform factory reset easily. Just put it to the charging case, and after that press and hold this connection button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts to be red. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!